Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I am good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How do you pronounce your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Nice to
Yes,
meet you, Sahiba. You can
nice
call
to
me
meet you
Nai.
too. Your name?
Nai.
Nai. Oh, very
hmm
easy.
Yeah.
Beautiful
um,
name.
Thank you so much. How long have you been learning English?
Uh, I joined the Cambly 2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago. Okay.
Yeah.
So why did you want to learn English?
Actually, I love English.
Mm-hmm.
I want to learn English. English, English is a international language. English is the most important for every person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Oh, in which part?
The South Texas.
Okay, okay. Nice.
hmm Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. What
Yes.
part in India?
Jammu and Kashmir. Northern
Is
part.
it northern part? Okay, I see.
Yes.
All
Yeah.
right. So, do
So
you just want to have like a conversation about anything? How would you like this to go, Sariha?
yeah, you asked me some small questions about myself, and I will
hmm
try to give answer your questions. Yes.
Okay, awesome. What
Yeah.
do you do for fun?
Okay. I like reading. I like
hmm
painting as well. Yeah.
Painting. Wow.
Yes.
What kind of books do you read?
Uh, Mostly religious books.
hmm hmm
Yes. Your
And
hobbies?
then my hobbies, I
Yeah.
like to watch TV
Mm-hmm.
shows, movies,
What
and
kind of movies you see? What kind of movies?
I like I like comedy. I like
Oh,
comedy movies.
comedy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I like to laugh. Sometimes romance comedies. Um,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, I really like comedies that makes me laugh. Sometimes stand up. So
Mm-hmm.
when comics actually like makes jokes for like an hour, so those are funny. So
Okay.
yeah, and then sometimes I just like taking a walk in
Mm-hmm.
my neighborhood. There's like sidewalks that I could just walk around, and so
Yes.
it's getting prettier. The day is
Mm-hmm.
getting prettier, so sometimes I just like to walk around and just breathe the air. Really,
Nice.
yeah.
Very nice.
hmm
Okay. Yeah. So, do you live with your family?
I live with my. I have two roommates. So I live with two roommates. Well, one of them is someone I've been with for a long time, my boyfriend, and then his brother
Oh,
moved
okay,
in with
okay.
us recently. Yeah.
Very nice.
So my family is they're in a different part of the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
hmm
So, what's your profession?
My profession, well, right now I'm doing Cambly, so that's been very exciting. I love talking to people from all over the world.
Mm-hmm.
I also have been doing substituting as a teacher.
Yeah.
So when teachers are either sick or maybe they have like they can't be at the school, I've been doing that for like a day or two. I will
Yeah.
sub for the teacher. So it's
Okay.
basically just those two things, really.
Uh-huh. Very
Mhm.
nice.
It's been interesting. Do
Yeah.
you do any work
Yes,
or
I
are you
am student.
school?
I am
Oh, okay.
student. Yes, I am studying in 12th grade.
12th grade. I
Yes.
see.
Yeah.
Awesome. Do they teach? Do they teach English in your school as well?
Yes.
hmm
Yeah.
How
Actually,
long?
uh, mm, 6 years before. Yeah, I
Okay,
think
so they'll
6 years.
teach you some stuff in
Yeah.
school.
Yes.
Mhm.
Actually, my teachers are not speak English language. They speak
Mm.
they speak Urdu language. You know?
I've heard
Yes,
of Urdu. Yeah.
yeah, Urdu language with students. Yes.
I actually had before. I was working at a store, like a
Mm-hmm.
clothing store, and I had a coworker, and her family speaks Urdu as well. I don't know where
Mm-hmm.
exactly she's from, but she spoke that in English, and I was like, "Oh, that's cool." hmm
Uh-huh. So, have you visited in India?
I have not.
No, not
I've
yet.
only been the U.S. and Mexico because that's where my family's from.
Mexico. Oh,
hmm
okay. Your
But
family live in Mexico.
part of my family, some of my family live in Mexico. I have a big family, so
Oh,
some of them are in the U.S. and then the rest are in all over Mexico somewhere. Yeah.
how many your brothers and sisters? Tell me.
I have, let's see, I have my older sister, then me, and then my brother, and then my younger sister. So it's four of
Oh,
us.
four. Okay.
hmm hmm
I
What about
have
you?
I have two older brother and
hmm
one older sister and me. Four.
So you're the youngest.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So yeah, four is a good number.
Yeah.
uh-huh. Um, so they are all up because I'm the only one in Texas. Everyone
Mm-hmm.
else is in the state where I'm from, in Georgia, which is a different state in the U.S.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so yeah, they're up north or somewhere north. It's still south in the U.S., but it's more north from where I'm from because I'm Texas at the very south, basically.
Uh-huh.
But
So,
yeah,
how old are you?
I am 24.
Oh, 24.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So
Yes. How old are
young.
you?
I'm 17 years old.
17.
Yes.
Yes. Much younger. But you have a lot of time for practicing and
Yeah.
speaking in English, so that's good.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I love English.
Do you watch like shows in English or TV or
Yeah.
movies?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Actually, I like Hindi movies, Indian
Mm-hmm.
movies. So
Mm-hmm.
in these days, I watch English, some English videos. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Yeah, it's good
BBC listening.
practice.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Listening.
yes,
Yeah, I've seen some Indian. I don't know if it's Bollywood. Is Bollywood the
yes.
same?
Bollywood. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I know my boyfriend, he showed me one. It was a really good movie. It's called, I don't know if it's different in Indian. The
Mm-hmm.
oh, is these three guys and they're kind of funny.
Mm-hmm.
The street, I don't want to say, is this three stupid guys? I don't know.
Yes. Three Idiot.
Three idiots. Yes, I've seen that
Yeah,
movie.
yeah. I see.
It was really good. I was like, wow.
Yes.
It's funny and
Mm.
it's sometimes a little sad and there's romance, but
Yeah,
it was
yeah,
good.
yeah.
I was like,
Yes,
that was a
I watched.
good movie.
Yeah, this is very funny.
Yes, I was like,
You,
it's not three stupid guys. It's like, what is
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Yeah,
Three Idiot. Yeah.
that was a good movie. I liked it a lot. That was my first Bollywood movie, and I was like, wow, that's really good. So
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So, do you have any question?
Um, no, I mean, just more. I'm just more interested about
Yeah.
India. I know we don't have that much time to go
Yes.
into more details, but yeah, it's so interesting to see people from different countries and cultures.
Mm-hmm.
So I love to share what I know, or if you have any questions about the United States or anything, I love sharing stuff
Yeah.
about that.
Okay.
But yes, I've enjoyed this conversation a lot.
Yes,
We can
of course.
continue next time, or if you want to talk about something or ask more questions about the United States,
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
more than happy to answer those questions.
Okay.
Mhm.
So
It was
bye.
nice talking to
Thank
you.
you. Nice to meet
Bye.
you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank
Bye.
you.